guys, have a quick Walmart haul. A lot of this stuff is for a football party we're having. I would say over half of it is for that. So one thing we got for the football party are these Farm Rich crispy dill pickle slices. So I'm going to bake these off for one of the many appetizers we're going to have. I needed some SOS steel wool pads. It's actually how I clean my sink. So I needed a box of those, so I picked those up. I got some Gatorade, the lower sugar one, for Matt or myself to take to work. This is in the grape flavor. Some chicken wings. We are in a big wing kick right now. So I got the chicken wings to go with this wing seasoning mix. I picked up 2 of them. These are the Great Value brand, and they are 98 cents. So I have one I can use with these, and then one backup. I also wanted to find like a dishwasher cleaner for my dishwasher, like to clean the actual interior of my dishwasher. So these look to be pretty good. You add it right to a full load into the bottom of the machine, and it says that it cleans hidden grease and grime and sanitizes. So hopefully that will do the trick. I was just in the beer aisle and I saw this and it caught my eye. I just thought it would be something cool for my husband to try. It's the Budweiser Black Label with Jim Beam Reserve Collection. I like the bottle. It's like a black matte. But I just thought it would be something cool for him to try. I did pick up 3 bags of chips for the football party, and they're doing a promotion. You can see right here, there's one on here. You buy 3 Frito-Lay bags and you get a free Pepsi product. So I got this for the party as well. So for the football party, I got Cheetos, Lay's Original, because I feel like these are safe with the kids and adults. And then I also got Doritos to put out as well. And then with the coupon, I still have a couple more because they come on all the bags. I used the one in here. I got the free Pepsi Zero, which I'm going to use for the party as well. So that was nice to get that for free because soda is expensive. I got 2 of the Danimals squeezables for Grady. He takes these to school sometimes. I got the cotton candy and the strawberry explosion. I also needed spoons for when we have people over. I have forks and knives and ran out of spoons, so I picked up those to replenish. We tried these Eggo Thick and Fluffy Blueberry French Toasts last month, I believe. I think I got them at like Hannaford or something, and they were good. I just popped them right into my toaster, and they toast up just like toast, and then I just put a little butter and maple syrup on them. They're really quick and easy, and I can give them to my husband before work with some coffee. I got a big bag of Kisses, milk chocolate Kisses for the football party. I always like to put out some kind of chocolate or sweet treat in a big bowl. I got some more Apple and Eve organic grape juices. These are going to be, we have 5 kids coming to the football party, so there's going to be 9 adults and 5 kids total. So I thought that I would just have some juice boxes. I already had the mini bottled water, so I wanted to get some kind of juice. These my neighbor recommended. I'm on a big kick with trying like different cookies, so we've tried the white fudge covered Oreos, the regular fudge covered Oreos, the mint Oreo fudge covered, and now we're going to try these, and these are going to be really good. I also got Capri Sun roaring water for the week. Sometimes I grab these to bring to work. My husband, I pack them in his lunches. Grady likes these, so we just really kind of universally like the roaring water one. I got the Danimal smoothies for Grady in strawberry and wild watermelon, bottled water for the football party, and again the Pepsi. I'm just going to put these 2 along with some ginger ale in a big, like, huge bucket with ice so people can just pick what they want. And then obviously we'll have beer and wine and adult beverages. But yeah, this is everything I got from Walmart today. It was $80 for all of this, and just stay tuned. There's probably going to be another haul after this. Second Walmart haul for the week, and this haul, gosh, I forgot how much I spent. I think it was like about $80 as well. I think it was like $81. Okay, so baby Swiss for my husband's sandwiches for the week, some hard salami for my husband's sandwiches, and I can take a sandwich too, it won't kill me. Some buffalo chicken or buffalo turkey, buffalo chicken it is, for sandwiches as well. I got some garlic flatbread naan, and I'm going to make some pizzas, some naan bread pizzas on, I'll do like a veggie naan roasted garlic flatbread pizza for dinner one night. I got some combos, snack pack, variety pack for lunches. Some of these Cheez-It queso fundido flavor. Never tried them, heard they're really good. Some penne pasta because we needed that. I've been hearing about this for about a month now, and I've wanted to try it, but I keep forgetting. So I was actually out of fabric conditioner, so I had it on my list. It's the Downy Wrinkle Guard in the fresh scent. We hang dry all of our clothes. The only thing I use the dryer for are sheets, towels, socks, underwear, linen, stuff like that. All of our clothing gets hung dry, so I think this will help a lot with wrinkles because it says it's good for releasing wrinkles. So hopefully it'll be good. These I buy every once in a while. They're the toaster cake corn cakes. It's pretty much like a cornbread sort of patty, and you just toast them and butter them. My son will eat them every once in a while, and I thought my husband could have these for breakfast as well. I got a couple of the Chobani Flips for Matt, the salted caramel crunch and the strawberry cheesecake, so I'll pack those in his lunches. My favorite store-bought bread, the Nature's Own thick sliced. Oh, I got the white. I meant to get the multi-grain. Darn. I'm going to have to probably return that if I have time. It's the thick sliced multi-grain that I like. I got the white by accident. But the white's okay. I like the multi-grain better. So if I get a chance, I will return this. Hopefully. If not, I'll be stuck with it, but it's fine. I got the Febreze plug-in 2-pack. This is just the plug-ins. I already have the refills, but because I'm switching over my home to these, I normally use the Bath & Body Works Wallflowers, but I actually like these better. So I'm in the process of doing a switch over for all of them. I got some Mardi Gras napkins because we need napkins. Some Ritz crisp and thin chips in the bacon flavor, which are really, really yummy. I got some of this ramen noodle soup in the umami soy sauce flavor. One of my coworkers told me to try this. I don't eat ramen a whole lot, although I do like ramen. But one of my coworkers specifically said to try this, so I got one to check it out and see if I like it. There's a lot of nice add-ins. Like my coworker makes these for lunch and she adds in different things. It's pretty interesting. She adds in like pickled veggies or like sometimes an egg or just different things. So I'm going to try it out. Got some chives because I felt like chives for some enchiladas that I'm making and a couple other recipes that I'm doing. I also like chives on mashed potatoes. I got some sharp cheddar because I needed that for a couple recipes. Some Spanish rice to go along with the enchiladas I'm making this week. I got a 3-pound bag of cuties. They were on sale for like $2.98. Great deal. Some bananas for my smoothies this week. Some Jim Beam Budweiser Copper Lager for football. We're having people over for football until every week of the playoffs until the Super Bowl. So this is just for football. I got some photo albums here. My son and I are working on some projects with photos throughout his life, and we're trying to like go in order, and he's been really interested in it. So I got 2 more photo albums that we need for the project we're doing. I got some water for my coffee, and I think that's everything. I think this was like $81 or $82, something like that. Bummer about the bread because I thought it was multi-grain. But anyways, let me share with you my meal plan for next week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do some beef enchiladas with some Spanish rice. The Spanish rice I showed you in the haul. I already have the ground beef. I already have the enchilada sauce. I have the chilies. I bought the cheese. And I already have flour tortillas. I'm going to do creamy pork chops in the crock pot one night with mashed or baked potatoes and some kind of veggie. I'm pretty sure I have a recipe video for this. I'll link it down below. For no meat night, we're going to do that non-garlic veggie flatbread pizza, and I'll make a salad with it. I'm going to do stuffed turkey burgers. I have a cooking video on that, which I'll link below. They're just really good. I don't plan to serve them on a bun. I just kind of eat them like a turkey patty. And I'll have some sweet potatoes and then a veggie or a salad on the side. I'm going to do spaghetti pie one night. This recipe makes a ton, so I'll be able to take some for lunch for leftovers for like a couple days. I have a recipe video on this. It's like a super easy, I think it's like 5 or 6 ingredients spaghetti pie. I'll link that below, and I'll just do some garlic bread on the side. We actually have not had breakfast for dinner in quite a while, which is really odd for us. So I'm gonna do French toast, hash brown patties, which I already have, and whatever fruits we need to use up, I'll just cut up whatever we have. So that'll be a really nice, easy dinner. Of course, I have a freebie night, which this night will probably be dedicated towards some kind of football food when the game is on next Sunday. But yeah, that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday with a new video.